I beg everybody know who be this our brother. Nnamdi Ezechi. I hope say the whole Delta State, the whole Ukwuani, will know who be this our brother. Nnamdi Ezechi, na be this. You don't see him? Now the rice when bring come Ukwuani people make them share. Merry Christmas and Merry New Year. Our people, make I give una the rice. Obabe, bring out the rice. Make them see how many bag of rice when Nnamdi share. Give una for Merry Christmas. You don't see him? You don't see him? This will not be Merry Christmas, so I will say people where their position serve. They no fit give their people this thing. You see why the people, you see why they tell us say we don't love ourselves. Nnamdi, you know me very well. I know they carry the talk. If you say anything where you want to, but me, those are not they carry the talk. You know should take on this business. See what you they give your people. Your house help for us, you go fit give them this thing. These are people that elected you and gave you a position. In short, you don't say they go back again now. And you can never go back. This is the end of your politics. See what you give them. Now so you carry 9 pieces of street lights come our village. My own community. 9 pieces or 8 pieces. Now you give this rice executive. In Colombia, in Dokwa. Now you give this your own people. And you say they go back.
You all have heard what our brother from Ukwuani land said. He said that Ezechi gave Ikolobian Dokwa nylon of rice, not bag of rice. All those nylon where they take the sell pepper for markets. Now Ezechi take the share rice they give Ukwuani youths. Other politicians for Anioma land, they give their people 1 bag of rice each. But wetin Ezechi they do for Ukwuani land, nah, they share rice for nylon. It's so shameful. Ezechi was among those politicians from Anioma land that voted against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. Since Ezechi become the House of Reps member, where they represent Ukwuani people for House of Reps, wetin Ezechi don't do for Ukwuani people? Which project we go talk say, now this thing I Ezechi do for Ukwuani land? Nothing. Instead, the only thing Ezechi sabi do now, to vote against the southeast zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. Share rice give your people, make them enjoy Christmas and New Year. See the kind of rice where they give your people. Black nylon, now they share rice, they give Ikolobi and Dokwa. Now House of Reps, now in there, if this kind of person enter Senate, Ukwuani not go anywhere. This kind one not go even fit agitate, say, make we get Anioma State, whether in the southeast or in the south. Because he not get dream for Ukwuani people. In Ukwuani land, we are expected to be choosing politicians that will represent Ukwuani and the interest of Ukwuani. Not be a politician where they fight the interest of Ukwuani. Not be a politician where they fight the progress of Ukwuani. Our brother said that Ezechi will never go back to the House of Reps again. If you just finish that in first tenure, you go come out. Because we go vote against them. You know go that place again. Another person go enter that place. If to say Ezechi na politician wey get vision, he go support the southeast zoning of Anioma State. Ukwuani land not get lights, we not get road, we not get Federal State University, we not get Federal State Polytechnic, we not get Federal State College of Education, we not get good roads. Nothing is working in Ukwuani land. Ezechi not get that time. Not be those ones Ezechi they talk. See the rights Ezechi they share give Ukwuani people. Politicians who are known for this social media and Anioma land, rice where they share give their people now. 1 person 25 kg, 1 person 25 kg. But Ukwuani land, now that nylon where they take tie pepper, now they share rice they give Ukwuani people. The only two ways that they post for the Facebook page now, church. Other politicians they post projects where they don't execute. Then they post projects where they plan to execute. Ezechi oh not like that. Morning to night, the only thing where Ezechi they post na church. TB Joshua, TB Joshua, TB Joshua. Morning to night na church, Ezechi they post for him page. Donald Trump for America, he dey post about America. Anything wey go favor America, na wetin Donald Trump dey post. What he's about to do for America, what he has done for America, what he's doing for America. Na wetin Donald Trump dey post. Other politicians for the country, na wetin they do, that they post. SHO na church. Your church might not tell you say this rice where you tie for nylon give your people, not good. See the kind of people where they represent Ukwuani land for House of Reps. For the whole Anioma land, Ukwuani politicians are the most wicked people. If you want to see wicked politicians for Anioma land, come Ukwuani make you see wicked people. Now Ukwuani land you go see wicked politicians. We are talking about politicians that have been representing Ukwuani people since the creation of Delta State. Yet, no good thing they ever enter Ukwuani land. They go give them money to tie road for Ukwuani land. These people go share money put for their pockets. They go bring this project come Ukwuani land. These people go share the money. If they not still bring, they not go fit pressure federal government to bring all these things come Ukwuani land can do. We dey hear their updates. We dey see all these things with our eyes. Make we get Anioma State join Southeast. They say no because they want to keep Ukwuani people in slavery. People where they say their place not they grow, but you know they pin them for body. When Ezechi say he voted against the Southeast zone of Anioma State, that he's happy and that he's proud of himself. Some Ukwuani youths they under him comment section they support him. You are right, sir. We don't want to join the Southeast. I say see Ukwuani youths where they come up, mumu people will not get sense, no say their place not good. People will not get sense, no say they are expected to stay in the same region with people that they speak the same language with. People will not get sense, no say we not go fit get Anioma State day for South. Say South people will never support Anioma State to be created as zone to the South. People will be say they not they see beyond their nose, they not they see beyond their pockets. Just imagine now all this set of people now go represent Ukwuani for the future. I'm so ashamed of this set of people that call themselves Ukwuani people. As they talk about Anioma State, you are no Ukwuani person. The first thing what you're supposed to do now, what will Ukwuani people benefit in this Anioma State if we actualize it and zone it to the Southeast? First of all, Ukwuani is the most populated Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. The crude oil in Anioma land is located in Ukwuani land. Your mind is supposed to tell you say the voice of Ukwuani people is the voice of a minority in this present Delta State. Say Ukwuani not get mouth for this Delta State where we dey. Say Ukwuani not get development for their land. Say government not dey reach Ukwuani people. Say Ukwuani never produce governor for this Delta State before. Say we need development for Ukwuani land. Say we need infrastructure for Ukwuani land. Now all these things reasonable Ukwuani youth suppose they reason. But instead, those set of Ukwuani youth will be say they no get sense and they no want get sense. Then they thought say we don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. Instead of us to join the Southeast, we rather remain in Delta State. We rather not have light in Ukwuani land. We rather not have university in Ukwuani land. Instead of us to join the Southeast, let us remain in Delta State. People when no one get sense no say Ukwuani people now need this Anioma State pass. If Ukwuani people won't go university, they go Abraka. If they won't go poly, they go Gwashuku poly. Or they go all those polytechnic where they Ogara. Ukwuani people, now Roboland they go university, now Roboland they go poly. Make we get Anioma State, make they build for us federal university for Ukwuani land. Make they build for us state university for Ukwuani land. Some of our Ukwuani youth say no. That is the mindset of a failure. Now mindset of failure be that. Ezechi will no say in people they suffer. He say no one make Anioma State join Southeast. Ezechi is not representing we Ukwuani people. During our protest, we made it clear that those politicians from Anioma that voted against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State say they're not they represent us. So many Ukwuani youths want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast. So many Ukwuani chiefs and elders, Onotukus, Onotwane, Okpalukus, they are in support of the Southeast zoning of Anioma State. Make we get Anioma State, make good thing come Ukwuani land. We Ukwuani people, it's expected of us to start observing those set of Ukwuani people that are claiming that they want to represent Ukwuani people in House of Assembly, that they want to represent Ukwuani people in House of Reps. We need to dey checkmate these people well. Person wey want states, e not supposed to dey reason say the state must be in the southeast or it must be in the south. Anioma state is expected to be in the southeast for us to be with our kind. Na because of say Benin Kingdom dey marginalize we Anioma people when we dey for Bendel states, for Midwestern region. Na that marginalization make us get Delta states. They can't divide Bendel state. Benin go one side, Delta go one side. Now you are forcing yourself to be in the south with Benin people that are marginalizing you. You want to be in the south with other tribes in the south that don't understand Ukwuani language, that don't understand Eka language, that don't understand Oshimili and Anyocha language. You want to be with people that you don't have the same culture and tradition with them. You say you no wan join Southeast, you wan dey for South. What have you benefited from South Ukwuani people? Wetin Ukwuani people don benefit from South if not be poverty? You no get university, you no get poly, you no get good road, nothing dey for Ukwuani land. You dey talk say you no wan join Southeast, you no want make Anioma state join Southeast, say you wan remain for South. Iba gwando Ukwuani wey na-ekwu chi ekpu manu ya ma lifi na-ekwu. Unu bụ ndị ba lifunu na-ekwu. Ke kunu kubu seri n'Ukwuani, ke bu ifeoma nu wo seri n'Ukwuani. See rice wey una politician dey share dey give una for Ukwuani land. Nylon bag. Other politicians for Oshimili and Anyocha dey share full bag of rice dey give their people. See wetin Ezechi dey give una. He talk say no make Anioma state join Southeast, make he keep una for poverty. We Ukwuani people, let's do everything possible. Make sure we support Senator Nwoko and get this Anioma state. If you not like Senator Nwoko, that one are your business. Keep that your issue where you get with Senator Nwoko aside. Support the creation of Anioma state and the Southeast zoning. If we get Anioma state finish, then you start your problem with Senator Nwoko. That is how people that have sense behave. So many of we Anioma people, we not like Tinubu. But as Tinubu won't give us Anioma state, we will come to say, we not like Tinubu. Tinubu not dey rule Nigeria where people are dying every day in Nigeria. We don't want Anioma state. Make we can't take because of say we not like Tinubu. Make we give up on Anioma state to show say we dey verse where. Ukwuani people dey verse that kind of verse. Make una comot that mindset from una brain. If to say na devil na be the only solution for you to enter heaven, partner with devil, chop with devil, work with devil to enter heaven. You must not like everybody in this life. As Ezechi dey now, even as he dey do all these things wey they do wey no make sense. If Ezechi wan bring any good projects come Ukwuani land wey go favor Ukwuani people, me go support am. I no go talk say because I say Ezechi not support the Southeast zoning of Anioma state, say as because they carry good thing they come for Ukwuani land, so I no go support am. Our own be say if person dey do bad, we must call that person out. If that person lie, make it be governor, make it be senator, make it be House of Reps member, make it be king, we go call am out. All these things na for make it better for we Bia speaking people. Ukwuani people, make we support the Southeast zoning of Anioma state. Let's stop saying all this nonsense that some of us are saying, we don't want to join the Southeast. Southeast people will change our language. They will change our king. They will change our system. They will corrupt us. They will do this. Go Ukwuani communities, make you know say poverty they smell. You go know say poverty get order. No growth, no development. Yet you don't want Anioma state. Now you they suffer pass. Now you they thought you don't want Anioma state. You sure say you get sense. The ones who get sense, they do everything possible to grow. And the ones who get sense, they not get resources for their land. Not as well be say they not get crude oil and gas for their land. Now gold and other mineral resources they get for that place. Then they come Ukwuani land, they collect our resources. Some of the crude oil were waiting for Ukwuani land. Now northerners get them. People that have nothing, now then they use our crude oil because they worked hard, they worked smart to enslave the mentality of our people, and they are the ones exploiting our resources in Ukwuani land. Now make we Anioma people get Anioma states. At least with time we go fit collect those our resources where they exploit from us. Our Ukwuani use not the reason go that side because some of them nothing that they reason. They not even know say that they suffer. They not even know say the crude oil where the Ukwuani land say na outsiders they exploit them. Say outsiders don't get all those crude oil where they put money for their pockets. Why Ukwuani land is suffering? Ukwuani youths, wake up. The future of Ukwuani land is in the hands of our youths. Not that say because of say your papa not they support the Southeast zone of Anioma State, say you go follow your papa, they support her. Neck the short like Anioma State, J Southeast, you have support to me. If youths of any region for this life not get sense, that region all don't finish. Ukwuani people support the Southeast zone of Anioma State. A word is enough for the wise. Ishiegwale.